With almost 50 murders since the start of the year, heightened concerns that the wrong approach is being taken to control crime in the country. The matter was discussed during a function at the Greater Portmore Police Station on Tuesday. Kalisha Williams has that story.
It's the second prayer breakfast in St. Catherine since the start of 2022. It seems the police in the parish are pulling out all the stops to control the spiraling crime rate.
2022 will not be an easier year. It will be a difficult year.
And the murder figures can attest to that. Between January 1 to 11 this year, 47 murders were committed in the island. That meant about 4 Jamaicans lost their lives each day, a 17% increase compared to 40 murders committed during the corresponding time in 2021. In St. Catherine alone, 11 persons were killed.
We need to stop seeing people as statistics. The person was raped, the person was shot, the person was killed, don't want to be counted as statistic. We need to find ways to prevent that. That's what we need to do.
For instance, Chairman of the Police Federation, Corporal Rohan James, believes more resources should be deployed to the force.
I heard many a times people are speaking about crime fighting. We cannot fight crime. We can only manage the issue of crime and criminality. And it can only be done with the resources placed appropriately in the hands of the Commissioner of Police so that he can appropriately deploy the resources to adequately address the citizens' needs.
Corporal James said successive administrations have robbed the JCF of the resources it deserved and have treated the men and women of the force with scant regard.
Had it been that the capital and the respect and the resources was placed in the appropriate place, then the partnership so desired by the citizens of this country that they would engender the service that they so deserve.
Member of Parliament for South St. Catherine Fitz Jackson, who was also speaking at the event, suggested another approach to controlling crime.
The problem is, ladies and gentlemen, is that we tend to want to respond to the symptoms of crime and the result of crime rather than the cause of crime. We have to fix the problem where it starts. And it starts with the attitude, how we socialize.
The prayer breakfast also featured a commander's parade during which several members of the force were awarded for their service in 2021. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.